Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi dengan saya Putri Dewi Pradasari. Kali ini saya akan mengerjakan paket Razer Skill Integration Challenge chapter 8. Kita langsung saja ke background. In this Skill Integration Challenge, your focus is OSPF v2 and OSPF v3 configuration. You will configure IP addressing for all devices. Then you will configure OSPF v2 routing for the IPv4 porting of the network and OSPF v3 routing for the IPv6 porting of the network. One router will be configured with both IPv4 and IPv6 configuration. Finally, you will verify your configuration and test connectivity between end devices. Note: in this activity is great using a combination of assessment item and connectivity test. The instruction window will not show your score. To see your score, click check result assessment item. To see the result of the specific connectivity test, click check result connectivity test. Requirement: use the following requirement to configure RA addressing and OSPF v2 routing. Step 1. IPv4 addressing according to the addressing table. Step 2. Process ID 1. Step 3. Routing ID 1.1.1.1. Step 4. Network address for each interface. Step 5. LAN interface set to passive. Do not use the default keyword. Jadi kita masuk ke router RA. Kita ketikkan perintah enable configure terminal hostname RA interface gigabit ethernet 0/0 IP address 172.1.255.255.254.0. No shutdown. Lalu interface serial 0/0/0 IP address 172.31.4.1 spasi 255 255 255 252. No shutdown. Lalu router OSPF 1 router ID 1.1.1.1 passive interface gigabit ethernet 0/0 network 172.31.0.0 spasi 0.0.1.255 area 0 network 172.31.4.0 spasi 0.0.0.3 area 0 and Kita ke part selanjutnya. Use the following requirement to configure RV addressing, OSPF v2 routing and OSPF v3 routing. IPv4 and IPv6 addressing according to the addressing table. Set the gigabit Ethernet 0/0 link local address to FE80:1. OSPF v2 routing requirement, process ID 1, router ID 2.2.2.2, network addressing for each interface, LAN interface set to passive, do not use the default keyword. OSPF v3 routing requirement, enable IPv6 routing, process ID 1, router ID 2.2.2.2, enable OSPF v3 on each interface. Kita masuk ke RV. Kita ketikkan perintah enable, configure terminal. Kita ke IPv6 unicast routing, interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, IP address 172.31.2.1 spasi 255.255.254.0. IPv6 address 2001 DB 8.1/1/64 IPv6 address FE80:1 link lokal lalu IPv6 OSPF 1 area 0 no shutdown. Interface serial 0/0/0, IP address 172.1.2.255.255.255.252 no shutdown. Lalu interface serial 0/0/1, no IP address. IPv6 address 2001 DB 8 2/1/64 IPv6 OSPF 1 area 0 no shutdown. router OSPF1, router ID 2.2.2.2, receive interface gigabit ethernet 0/0, network 172.30.0.0.1.255, area 0, network 172.31.4.0.0.0.3, area 0, IPv6 router OSPF1, IPv6 router OSPF1, router ID 2.2.2.2, and clear IPv6 OSPF process, reset all OSPF process, yes. Lalu kita ke part 3. Use the following requirement to configuring RC addressing and OSPF v3 routing. Step 1. IPv6 addressing according to the addressing table. Set the gigabit ethernet 0/0 link local address to FE80:3. Step 2. OSPF v3 routing requirement. Enable IPv6 routing process ID1, router ID 3.3.3.3, enable OSPF v3 on each interface. Kita buka RC, kita ketikkan perintah enable configure terminal, hostname RC, IPv6 unicast routing, interface gigabit ethernet 0/0, IPv6 address 2001 DB 8:3:1/64, IPv6 address FE80:3 link local IPv6 OSPF 1 area 0, no shutdown, interface serial 0/0/0, no IP address, IPv6 address 2001 DB 8 2 double colon 2 slash 64 IPv6 OSPF 1 area 0 no shutdown IPv6 router OSPF IPv6 router OSPF 1 router ID 3.3.3.3 and clear IPv6 OSPF process. Yes. Lalu ke step selanjutnya, configure PC with appropriate addressing. PC A and PC B IPv4 addressing must use the last assessment address in the IPv4 subnet. PC B and PC C IPv6 addressing must be the second assessment address in the IPv6 network, and the link local FE80 address as the default gateway. Finish the addressing table documentation. Kita masukkan IP ke masing-masing PC. Kita ke PC A. Sini saya sudah menyiapkan IP, jadi tinggal saya ketikkan 172.1.1.254 untuk IP address-nya. Subnet masknya 255.255.254.0. Salah penulisan 72.1.1.254. Satu 172.31.0.1. Lalu ke PCB. IP address versi 4-nya 172.31.3.254. Default gateway-nya 172.31.2.1. Subnet masknya 255.255.254.0. Lalu IPv6 address-nya 2001 DB8 1 double colon 2 slash 64. Lalu default gateway-nya IPv6 gateway-nya FE80 double colon 1. Lalu untuk VCC memasukkan IPv6 address-nya 2001 DB8 3 double colon 2/64 IPv6 gateway-nya FE 80 3. Step terakhir, verify your configuration and test connectivity. OSPF network shall be established and routing table shall be complete. Ping between PC A and PC B shall be success. Ping between PC B and PC C shall be successful. Note, if OSPF v3 has not converged, check the status interface using the show IP OSPF interface command. Sometimes the OSPF v3 process need to delete from the configuration and reply to force convergence. Kita coba cek result apakah ada step yang tertinggal atau tidak. Checklist semua, skornya 100/100. Sekarang kita coba cek ping dan kita coba lihat OSPF network-nya. Kita ke R1, kita ke RE maksudnya, show IP root. OSPF-nya udah ada dengan diawali huruf O. Lalu kita ketikkan perintah show IP OSPF network. Ini udah ada. Ke RB, show IP root. Di sini ada show IP OSPF network. Versi 4-nya udah ada, kita cek versi 6-nya. Show IPv6 root. IPv6 root-nya udah ada. Lalu show IPv6 OSPF network. Di sini versi 6-nya juga udah ada. Kita ke versi, kita cek versi 6-nya. Show IPv6 root. Udah ada OSPF-nya. Lalu show IPv6 OSPF network. Udah ada. Kita coba ping. Kita coba ping IPv4 dulu. Kita copy IP PCB. Berhasil ping. Lalu kita coba ping PC A dari PC B. Berhasil. Untuk IP versi 4-nya kita coba PC C. Kita ping dari PCB. Berhasil. Sekarang kita copy IP PCB untuk di ping dari PC C. Ping juga berhasil. Jadi kita kali ini telah berhasil mengerjakan paket tracer Skill Integration Challenge chapter 8. Terima kasih telah menyaksikan video ini. Saya tutup. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.